Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Imani here. I am back for another video. To all my subscribers out there, it's great to see you again. I missed you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you can be a part of the family. While you're there, make sure you hit that bell, that notification button, so you can be notified as soon as a new video hits. I am getting more consistent with my videos, so make sure that you hit that bell so you know exactly when a new video is coming out. So today's video is a little bit different. I did a little bit of online shopping, you guys. So I treated myself to a few new outfits. I went on this site called Romwe. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it. We're gonna call it Romwe for this video. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And I found this site because I was actually looking at another site, and Romwe popped up while I was looking at this other site. So I checked it out and I'm like, oh my gosh, like these clothes are so cute. It reminded me of like Forever 21 back in the day, like when I was actually, you know, like between 16 and 21, when I was supposed to be shopping there, you know, but now I think I'm young shopping at these places that I really shouldn't because I'm old. But yeah, it reminded me of Forever 21, and it reminded me of Forever 21 prices back in the day, you know. Some stores now, they got a little bougie, but you know, this site, it's like even better. Like the prices are super inexpensive, but it was kind of like questionable. Like I'm over here like, okay, so these clothes are like really cute, but you're legit selling it for like $4. Like what's the catch? Like I don't understand. So I had to give it a try though, because y'all know I am budget, and I wanna spoil myself a little bit, but I also don't want to spend $100 on a top. So I figured, you know what, let me get a few outfits from this site, and if it's legit, cool, I done found me a new site to order clothes from. And if it's not, you know, I wasted a little bit of money, but I didn't waste like hundreds of dollars, so I can kind of eat it if not. So I got the clothes, I ordered it. I don't remember exactly when I ordered it, but it only took like a week for it to come. So I like that delivery pace, nice. And I think my shipping was actually free because I spent more than like $30. If you spend more than $30 on a site, then it's free shipping and handling. So come on, like I know I'm not the only one that I can spend like $100 somewhere, and if it says $2 shipping and handling, I'm not buying it. Like I'm not. That's just way too much money. $2, y'all wildin'. So yeah, so I just wanted to see what the outfits were about. So I figured, why not try it on and try it on for you guys. Anybody who's a little skeptical about the site the same way I was, definitely stay tuned. Let's see how these clothes turned out. Let's try them on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So let's talk about this outfit really quickly. So I got this shirt, it's a little honey shirt, yellow. I always thought I looked really cute in yellow, so I figured I'd buy it. And I don't know, I just like the little honey on it. This is actually a crop top, if you can see, and it actually is like a tieable crop top that you can just tie. So I really like it. I'm not a big fan of crop tops, which is why I also got these pants, which are high-waisted pants, black pants, and I really like them. They're pretty cool. The only thing about it is it's very like loose in the little crotch area. I had to buy, I believe these are a size large, and if you look at my frame, like I'm not a large. Usually I can fit like a medium at most. So this site definitely, I had to check the size chart very carefully to make sure everything fit. So because I got the large, like the thighs and all that other stuff fit, the booty fit a little bit, but the crotch area is very loose because of that. But I like the material. The material is very stretchy in the jeans, and the material is not too bad for the shirt. So I'll take it. I really like this. I feel like I'm sweating. Oh my god, it's really hot in here. But anyway, so I really like this. It's, you know, it's already hitting fall, but I can see myself wearing this for quite a little bit of time, even throwing on a jean jacket with it. The material is nice. I really like it. Like, good purchase. Thank you, Romwe. We did good. All right, next outfit. talk about this outfit. So again, I have another crop top here, as you can see. But again, I bought these pants. I actually didn't think that these pants were gonna be so high-waisted, but I'm really glad they are, because this crop top is very short, and again, I'm just not a fan of like a super high crop top and regular low waisted jeans. So I'm really glad that these pants are actually higher than what I thought they were gonna be. I'm loving the distressed look. Like I'm a big fan of the distressed jeans look, and if you guys can see, it's like all over. It's also in the back, so I don't know, I really like that look. The jeans, again, they fit pretty well. I had to get, I believe these are a extra large, so clearly, you know, they don't really think about the curvy girl, because I'm not the curviest girl in the world, and these are an extra large, but they do have a plus size section that I saw the other day, so definitely check that out if you're a little curvier than I am. But these are an extra large. It fits great around my thighs, around my butt area, but I still have like this little grandma pouch going on in the front of it that I don't like, but unless I'm pulling on it, then you don't really notice it, so I'll let it rock. But the fact that it fits really good everywhere else, I hopefully should be good. And I figure with this, like, the material is really well, but I think it's that kind of material that after like a wash or two, it might shrink a little bit. So hopefully it'll shrink in the places that I want it to shrink. Now this top, like I said, I thought it was going to be a little longer than it is. It looked longer on the site, but it's not bad, especially if paired with a high-waisted jean. But if you like the crop top look, then this is perfect for you. And also, I thought this was going to be more of like a hoodie material, like thicker than this, and it's like stretchy, like, what's this material called? Spandex kind of, which I wasn't really expecting, and I can't say that I like it, but it's not bad, so I'll take it, and I'll still wear it multiple times. So I let it rock. I like it. Everything fits really good so far. I think this top is a medium. I have to check. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. I'm liking what I got. Let's try on the third outfit. Outfit, and I just wanted to get like a cute little outfit for work, something that would look cute with like heels, flats, boots, whatever. I got this. I believe this shirt is a medium and the pants are a large. Let's talk about this one, because I actually really like this outfit. I like all the outfits that I got, but this one though, the pants, I was not expecting this material at all. It feels like workout, like I'm in my workout pants or something, like my workout like leggings or something. And it was actually pretty hard to put on. Like, it's a large, it's like spandexy, but it was still really like difficult to get on. Not like in a doesn't fit kind of way, but just like the material won't allow it to fit kind of way. I don't really know how to explain it, but I was able to get it on, so I can't really complain too much. I do wish it had pockets, because y'all know us girls, we like to have our pockets. Like, my goal in life is to have like one of them dresses with the pockets in them, just so people could ask me about my dress and I could tell them about the pockets. So I really want my pants to have pockets, you know, like, come on. But I do like them. I can see myself wearing them to work. They're not like see-through or anything, so it's not like, you know, they're inappropriate. So I'm gonna do it. And the shirt I really like. The only thing I don't like about the shirt is, let me show y'all. Y'all see that quadriboob happening? Yeah, like if I like bend back, which I mean, I don't see myself doing it. I also gotta wear, I wore a wrong bra for this, y'all. But if I were to like bend back or something, like I'm getting like that weird like indent in the middle of my boobs area, which is kind of awkward. But other than that, I really like it. It's a little wrinkly, so it looks kind of crazy, but I really like the color block, the red, black, and white, and it's just all white in the back. So I think it's really nice. I think it's a nice little casual work outfit, so I'm excited to wear that. I think I'm gonna actually wear that tomorrow. So yeah, those are all the outfits I got. I think total I spent like $65 and I'm really happy with my purchase. I feel like that $60 went exactly where I wanted it to go. I do plan on ordering some more stuff from Romwe. Yes, definitely on a budget, but I can still get my clothes. So I hope you guys really like this video. I hope it was very helpful to anybody who's looking to shop at Romwe. I promise you guys, you're gonna be happy. Well, hopefully I didn't try like a lot, but I would definitely say give it a try. I give Romwe like a 3.8 out of 5 stars, so I'm really happy with it. If you guys have ever tried Romwe or if you plan on trying it, shoot me a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you want me to do any more try-on hauls like this. Let me know if there are any other videos that you guys would like for me to make. Hopefully you guys like this one. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget